Okay, this is the HP Envy 6165E all-in-one printer. I received this unit free of charge from Best Buy for my honest opinion and review of this product. Has a flatbed scanner. It can do copy, scan, print. It has a 2.4 color touchscreen. Print quality up to 4800 by 1200 DPI for color, 1200 by 1200 for black. Borderless photos, up to 10 pages per minute in black, 7 pages per minute in color. Duplex printing supports AirPrint, so the Apple AirPrint especially comes in handy for me. 100 sheet bin for paper, 25 output. It's made with 60% recycled plastic. It has a compact footprint, just over 11 pounds. HP Smart App, the usual suite of HP apps. Instant ink ready, so you can have a subscription. 6 months free. Not sure exactly how much it'll give you, but you could certainly put this thing through its paces. So we're going to open this up, unbox this, see what we have here. Quick start guide, instant ink information, cord, ink. These are tri-color cartridges. This one's black, so there's two separate. Don't mind the noise. Okay, so this is the printer. This is all nice and shrink wrapped. HP 6155. Sealed for your protection, I guess. So I will say this is compact. There's the 2.4-inch color screen. We're going to hook this up so I figure out what this tape is holding in. I think it's the whole ink cartridge mechanism. We're going to get back to this. I'll fire this up in a little bit. You're starting to see some lights. The panel lit up. So okay, so this is the tape. We'll pick English. Okay, install cartridges. Black inkjet cartridge. Tape off. Well, this is the tricolor. So these are tiny cartridges. They're both in. Check-in cartridge. Okay, load paper. Alignment. This is printing a page out. It's musical. Now it wants to scan this. Scanner glass and hit scan. Okay, cartridge alignment completed. Good to go. Install the HP software, so that's what I'm going to do now. An HP account. Accept all for now. Okay, that's my printer upstairs. Let's see if we can add a printer here. Add a printer. Already, well, new printer. Okay, it did. It picked up my Envy 6100 up. So this is technically the HP Envy 6165E wireless all-in-one inkjet printer. But it looks like it picks it up as a 6100. So it's doing that. The features on this printer, all-in-one functionality, print, scan, copy with flatbed scanner, small touchscreen, 4800 by 1200 DPI for color, 1200 by 1200 for black, dual band Wi-Fi, self-healing tech, USB 2.0, supports Apple AirPrint. Input tray will handle 100 sheets. The output tray is 25. Mobile fax via HP Smart App. Receiving faxes is not supported. Instant ink ready, can track usage and ships ink before you run out. HP activation unlocks cloud-based features and extended warranty when enrolled. Well, the printer is only compatible with HP ink. So they put a chip in the ink cartridge, and if that chip is not detected, it will not print. So, okay, allow an app that is setting up the printer. And this is moving forward. Just got a notification that it connected to my network from my router. So that's good. It'll scan it for vulnerabilities. Okay, 6-month trial. I've had this for about a month. Earlier in this video, you saw the unboxing, the setup. I hope you found that useful. Well, now I'm 30 days out at least from receiving this printer, installing it, and starting to use it. So have some feedback on it. So here we go. So the good thing about this is it's pretty slimline. We have a lot of opportunity here to put it in a space that is, fairly compact. That's not high, doesn't have a big auto document feeder, has a small color touch panel there for controls, has a paper tray. This thing will fold out and it'll hold at least 25 sheets of paper. And generally it's done a good job for me. I've gone through one round of the instant ink subscription that came with this. And I've been making every opportunity or using every opportunity to use this. So far it's done a pretty good job. It's a value printer that performs well. It is fairly simple. Again, no auto document feeder, but it does perform well. And if you're looking for a low-cost printer that has some scanning capabilities, will print from smartphones, and a bunch of different functions, including subscribing to the Instant Ink service, which can come in handy. You don't have to worry about running out of ink or going to get ink cartridges to tell you. Does some good things. I had to print out this manual, almost 90 pages, and it did a good job. Duplex printing. This is only black and white, plain paper, but it ran through this. It wasn't the most speedy, but certainly did the trick. If you don't need a lot of features, bare basics, and you still need to be able to scan things in, print, and have decent quality print, color print, instant ink subscription, and don't have to worry about running out of ink, then great. Otherwise, you can, put any HP cartridges you want in here. It takes 2 cartridges, a tricolor and a black and white. I think it's a winner. I think it's actually a pretty good printer. It does the job. It can scan. It can print from mobile devices, hooks up wirelessly to your network, has the ability to subscribe to the HP Instant Ink service, which can come in handy. This way they know when you're running out of ink, and next thing you know, it's at your door and you send back the ink cartridges. If that's appealing to you, then this printer is probably at the lowest entry price to get in to use that service, and also give you some more advanced features, duplex printing, color printing, wireless mobile printing. It doesn't have an auto document feeder. Scan things in, you have to do it a page at a time, which can be tedious, but if you don't scan a lot of documents in or need an onboard fax, this will still do. I received with this 6 months free Instant Ink. I don't know if they've scaled that back because all the packaging here said 6. On the setup, it said 6. Results may vary. If you like product reviews, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I do a mix of tech reviews, a lot of things I'm into, anything tech, computers, drones, cameras, you name it, small appliances, I get them, I review them, and I give you my honest opinion. I'm not going to steer you wrong. If I don't like something, you'll know about it. If I don't find it a good product, or I wouldn't recommend it to a friend, you'll hear that same thing from me.